पूनम ढिल्लन कुछ इसी तरह जूम से एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरैक्शन के दौरान ऋषि कपूर की सैड डिमाइस पर बात करते हुए इमोशनल हो गईं।
I think today's really been a very sad day from the time I woke up in the morning with the shocking news, and I was like not in a position to even talk to anybody. A lot of people were calling and trying to verify things or to talk about him, and it was very, very painful in the morning to talk about him. But I think I realized that talking about him is paying homage to his memory, to appreciate the person he was, and to fully give my respect to him, because I've had the privilege of working with him in many, many films and knowing him as a person, having grown up in front of him literally. His kids were small, I wasn't even married. When I got married, I had my kids. So, there's a whole graph of friendship over the years. And I would say I have always, like from the first film I have done or even before that, been a great fan of Rishi Kapoor. And I'm saying that because though I was a typical, I'm not anybody's fan. I like the films, but Rishi Kapoor was one actor whom I really was a fan of. And right from, I remember in school when we were there, we saw Raffu Chakkar and Khel Mein. And for me, Chintu, Neetu were like the ideal couple on screen. And later when I knew them, they got married, and I would say they were the ideal couple off screen. And I think his life has been a very honest, hard-working life. He was passionate about his work. It wasn't just something he did and he enjoyed the name and fame of it. He enjoyed his work. His talent was beyond any doubt, and really he is one of the finest actors on screen. So whether you're seeing him dressed up as a woman and wearing a mini skirt and doing things, or him being a 102-year-old man, or him playing any kind of a character, a negative role, a romantic role, you could not find any faults with this performance. You could say the film was boring or the film was bad, but Rishi Kapoor was remarkable in every film which he did. And sometimes the films were frivolous, but he stood out. There's sincerity in everything. And in my mind, there was no actor who could do a song as good as Rishi Kapoor could. Seeing him any kind of song was like a real treat. I can watch any Rishi Kapoor song and enjoy it umpteen number of times, because he was so good in the way he would deliver songs on screen. Absolutely, his sense of humor was like rough around the edges. He could be, sometimes sarcastic, sometimes just, a little brusque with his words. But he was never, ever vulgar or crude. He was a classy gentleman, totally. And I always remember that about him, and I respect that about him. I've done so many films, I've never seen him out of, I would say out of sorts or out of place, or saying anything which was inappropriate. He was, I think, perfect. Yes, he was irreverent on Twitter sometimes. He would, make fun of things. Because I remember once I put out a tweet, I was stuck in a traffic jam, and there were, for 2 hours up and down, I was saying, gosh, this traffic, Mumbai, what is it coming to? And he tweets back to me saying, I think maybe you should go back to Chandigarh, traffic will be better there. Like I was into, what is this? That was his sense of humor. He should, so he was a guy with a great sense of humor, with absolutely no fakeness and fake diplomacy or any of those things. And I really pray for his peace, and I'm sure he's in a wonderful place today, and God has taken him, and now I really do believe that the good go young. We used to hear that when we were children, that the good die young, but I really have started believing in that.
पूनम ढिल्लन ने ऋषि कपूर के साथ काम करने की एक्सपीरियंस से लेकर ऋषि कपूर के हॉस्पिटल से लीक हुए वीडियोस पर भी एंग्रीली रिएक्ट किया।
I think everybody is grieving and really hurting right now, and I feel really sad that his daughter could not be here to, hug her father for the last time, and that was something which was giving me a lot of pain, that she couldn't in this difficult time. That was one of the things which could not happen. And another thing which I don't know if it's the right place to say it. There are some videos people are forwarding of him being in the hospital. I think it is in such bad taste. I would request anybody who receives a video like this, do not forward it, please. I think let him have the dignity of having being ill in his own space. I don't think it's fair for anybody to impose and circulate this just as something sensational. I think it's very, very, very bad taste. And whoever has done it, taken that video, should really be very, punished properly. This is not done. You cannot invade somebody's pain and suffering and send it as a forward. I mean, how horrible and inhuman is that? Yeah. So that was really making me angry and upset. Okay, how could they do this? So I just hope and pray that people don't become insensitive in such things and give the respect he deserves. Let him. I've been telling anybody who's forwarded to me, but please do not forward this anymore. It's not something which we should be doing.
Watch E-Town News Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom.